Hello everyone, today I'm going to share you about shortcut key that most use in our daily life, especially that we need for our computer to make it easy and faster. Okay, let's start together. Look here, the first one, Ctrl A, it means select all. So if you want to select all the type, you can use Ctrl A. Ctrl B means bold. If you want to make a bold in your typing, you can use Ctrl B. Ctrl C means copy. You want to copy a text, copy from one word to the other, you can use Ctrl C. Ctrl D means fill. So you can fill other by using Ctrl D. Ctrl F means find. You want to find the word, find another letter, you can use your shortcut key Ctrl F. Ctrl G means find next instead of the type. You can use it very fast and easy. Ctrl H means replace. You want to replace the new word, you can use Ctrl H. Ctrl I means Italic. You want to write your text in Italic style, you can use Ctrl I. Ctrl K means insert a hyperlink. You want to insert any link or hyperlink, you can use Ctrl K. Ctrl N means new workbook. If you want to open a new one, you can use Ctrl N. Ctrl O means open. Here you can use to open a document. Ctrl P, print. When you want to print a text, you can use your shortcut key Ctrl P. Ctrl R means nothing right. So you can use this one. Ctrl H means save. You want to save your document, you can use Ctrl H. Next, Ctrl U means underline. When you write text, you write word and you want to underline, you can use Ctrl U. Ctrl V means paste. After you copy, you can use this one to paste in another page or in another line. Ctrl W means close. You want to close your office, you can use this one. Ctrl H means cut. You can use it to cut a word or type from one to the other. Ctrl Y means repeat. You can repeat that again and again. Ctrl Z means cancel. You want to cancel anything, you can use Ctrl Z. Next, F1 means help. If you have any problem, you can use F1 to help you. F2 means edition. You want to edit anything, you can use it. F3 means pass the name. You want the same name, you can use F3. F4, repeat the last section. Another one with F4, one entering a formula, switch between absolute or relative references. So this one you can use F4. F5, go to. You want to go to the other. F6 means next pane. You can use F6. F7, spell check. You want to check any spelling, you can use F7. F8 means extension of the mode. You want to add something more, you can use this one for adding. F9, recalculate all workbooks. So you can use F9 to help you when you need this one. F10 means activate menu bars. You want to make your menu bars activate, you can use F10. F11 means new graph. If you need graph, you can use F11. It's fast and easy. F12 means save as. You want to save as another text with different name, you can use F12 to help you. Okay, everyone. So if you have any question with this one, you can drop in comment. We will try to share any knowledge that we know. Okay, goodbye. Don't forget to drop me a subscribe. Bye.